let me show you something. This person is selling digital quotes, meaning you can buy quotes of famous people such as Thomas Jefferson or something for $197 and download it on your computer. That's it. It's just a digital piece of paper with a quote. So far, this person sold 73,485 of these. So if we multiply this by 197, this person made $147,765. This is insane. It's literally copying and pasting quotes and selling them in digital form. Today, I want to show you few very simple products that you can sell on Etsy using Canva templates. This is a really easy way of making money. You just pick very simple templates that are available on Canva, which is like a graphics software, free graphics software, modify them a little bit, and post them on Etsy. And if you're not creative, don't worry about it, because I'm gonna show you what to do if you don't have a creative mind. Hello my friends, my name is Patrick, and for the past 2 years I've been dropshipping on eBay and Facebook Marketplace, but it's 2022 and I decided to explore new ventures, and I'm doing something called digital dropshipping. If you never heard of this term, it's probably it doesn't exist. I made it up and I'm making it a thing right now. So if you're interested in joining me on this journey, let me know in the comments, because this is new to me. I think this is also new to a lot of people, and I want to know if you are interested in watching something like this, so I'll make more content like that. Also, make sure to check out my previous video about dropshipping digital ebooks that you don't own. You just purchase like resale rights for it and then put them on Etsy. Super easy. Also, make sure to join our free Facebook group as well. Check out our private Discord channel. You have links for them down below. So as I mentioned earlier, I want to show you a few different digital products, digital templates that you can get from Canva and sell them on Etsy. Canva is a free graphics software to create templates, ebooks, calendars, short videos, anything. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know Canva. If you don't, the link for it is down below. Once you get to Canva, you will see that there is a search bar on the top. You can literally just type in what you want to design, and they already have a lot of templates created. All you have to do is just pick one and edit a few things, and voila. One of the digital products that you can start dropshipping are quotes. People love quotes. We live in this like hustle culture. Everyone likes to stay motivated. People love affirmations. Words have power and we love to associate with them. I'm guilty of that as well. There are some powerful quotes that I really try to follow in my life, and I'm sure a lot of you have something like that as well. So if you go on Etsy and you type in digital quotes in their search bar, you're gonna find a lot of sellers that are already doing this. What they're doing is basically they're selling digital PDFs that people can download and then maybe print or maybe use for their own purposes. There's a big market for this type of stuff. If I really wanted to, I could copy the quotes of that guy that I showed you at the beginning and modify them in a new template on Canva. Let me show you how I'm gonna do that. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to copy what is this guy doing, basically using quotes of famous people from the history and put them on my Canva template. So this is Canva, and in the search bar, I'm gonna pick my template. I'm gonna type in digital card, and I'm gonna pick this square template right here. So this is giving me a list of different templates, but I'm gonna go with the blank one. Okay, so let's see one of the quotes. Let's do this one. Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. I'm gonna head to text, and then right here you can see there are already a few different fonts that I can use, different text templates, but I'm gonna go with the basic one and I'm gonna copy that quote. Okay, I have my quote ready and copied, but let's play with the fonts. Let's try to make this more sexy. I'm gonna try to see what type of fonts I can use. I'm gonna look for something more old school. After a few minutes, I decided to go with these two fonts. So the first one is called Allegria, and then the second one is called Afra. Now I'm gonna replicate this process with a few more quotes. So all I'm gonna do is just click copy right here, and this creates a copy of my template. And now I'm just gonna add a few more quotes. All right, so I have 2 additional quotes. Some of them hits really hard, and those are really good quotes, to be honest. Once you have your quotes ready, all you're gonna do is just click on download right here. You can download them all 3 together, and you can pick different templates that you can use. You can download them as a JPEG, PNG, or a PDF. Okay, so before I move on to the next digital product that you can start dropshipping on Etsy, I want to address one big issue.
Hey Patrick, I'm not creative. What should I do?
Well, don't worry about it. There's an easy solution for this. You see, there's a website called Fiverr.com, and what Fiverr is a website that you can hire anyone to do pretty much anything for very cheap. If you go on Fiverr and type in digital quotes, you will find freelancers that will do it for like 10 bucks. They will create templates with digital quotes for you. All you have to do is pay them and probably provide the quotes. And you can do this with every other product I'm gonna show you in this video. Okay, so digital product number 2 that you can start dropshipping are planners. People are really big on planners. They love them. There's a big market for that on Etsy. You can sell them in different colors, different variations, using different fonts. Just see what's popular on Etsy and try to create something very similar. Maybe change the colors, maybe change the fonts a little bit, post it, sell it, forget it. And again, if you don't know how to design this type of stuff, go on Fiverr, find someone that will do it very cheaply, send them a template. You can literally just send them a screenshot of that listing on Etsy, tell them I want this, and they will make it happen. Okay, another digital product that you can do is something that's close to my heart. It's digital real estate marketing. This is something that I've been doing most of my adult life, and there is a huge market for that as well. You see, real estate agents are very big on social media. They like to post and stuff like that, but very often they don't have a creativity. They don't know how to design stuff, but they want to make sure that their Instagram page looks nice, or maybe their Facebook post looks nice. You can literally create digital templates on Canva for real estate Instagram stories, for real estate posts. Okay, so far I showed you a lot of graphic stuff, but you see, you don't really have to use Canva. If you're good with Excel, you can sell spreadsheets. Take a look at this. If you type in spreadsheets in Etsy, you can see there's a lot of people selling different type of spreadsheets. I mean, take a look at this. Someone is selling a spreadsheet, a stock spreadsheet for $395. If you're good with spreadsheets, you can really make some decent money on this. I mean, $395 for a digital product, that means that if he sells that, he makes probably around $370 pure profit, because the profit margins on these digital assets are very, very high. It's usually between 80 to 90% profit margin on a digital product. This guy is killing it. But let's say you don't know how to set up a stock spreadsheet. You can use something simple like a habit tracker. It's a simple spreadsheet. It's super easy to make, very easy. This person is selling it for $3.75. And so far they sold 11,000 of these. Here's a big tip. A lot of these items come in bundles. For example, when I talk about these real estate digital products, a lot of listings contain bundles for Instagram stories, Instagram posts, and also a calendar. So it's a combination of few of these things together. When you bundle these digital products together, you can charge more money. So a smart idea maybe would be picking a niche, like the real estate niche, for example, and then trying to find a bunch of different digital templates on Canva, bundle them together and sell on Etsy. And again, if you don't know how to design or modify, hire someone on Fiverr. They will do it for you. They will do it very cheaply, super easy money, and you don't have to worry about inventory. You don't have to worry about items going out of stock. There are huge profit margins on this. Get something between 80 to 90% of profit margins. Crazy money. Digital dropshipping is a new way of dropshipping. Let me know if you like this digital dropshipping. Check out the links down below for the eBay and Facebook Marketplace dropshipping courses. Don't forget to join our communities on Facebook and Discord. There's also a product research tool that I'm using for eBay and Facebook Marketplace dropshipping called Zik Analytics. You have links for it down below. But other than that, that'll be it. I will see you in the next video. Take care.